Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can use this split screen or snap layouts on Windows 11. You can observe on the screen currently there are two active windows playing. One is Chrome browser and another is Edge browser. So this is called snap layouts, which is available on the Windows 11. First of all, this is Windows 11 laptop. Okay, the snap layouts. This is very easy. Just with one action you can achieve this for comparing two files or two documents at the same time, or in this case at the left side I am playing Hotstar video and the right side I am playing YouTube video. To watch two videos at the same time, to compare two files, to open two documents, in this will be useful. So first of all, I'll minimize this both and I'll be opening only Chrome now. Okay, on the Chrome, on the title bar, press and hold with the mouse. Just click and hold and drag to your right until you see this transparent screen and leave your finger. So this will adjust in one screen. And at the left side, these are all the tabs which are minimized currently, in which one of them is Microsoft Edge. So I'll be clicking on that. First of all, I'll be clicking on that so that it gets maximized. Okay, you can just click on that. Yeah, already it is playing, but if you want you can just press on the title bar and drag it to your left side until you see the transparent screen and leave. That's it. Now this both the tabs are active. This is how you can use snap layouts on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.